the Air Max DN8. Red Orbit 2025 colorway. Some daring dressers will undoubtedly start wearing the recently uncovered dark smoke gray, Red Orbit, black, Sweet Beet option. Similar to past Air Max DN releases, and the upcoming Air Max DN8, which will replace it as the line's flagship product, the unpublished version features a striking redesign throughout its breathable upper. A combination of Red Orbit and Sweet Beet creates an abstract design that is somewhat evocative of heat maps and other scientific displays. Dynamic air bubbles underfoot deviate in a striking yellow, while the rest of the shoe maintains a classic design in dark smoke gray. See the Parcel's official look. Nike has not yet revealed its inspiration, but by April, that information and a confirmed release date on Nike.com are probably going to change. SRP is $160 US.